Wait, is Tom in here? Is Tom in here? Oh, I just smacked Robot Andy in the face, dude. This is the most. Yeah, dude, you sound great, Corrupted. Why would you want a new voice?
Enough to have a wine
true
fridge.
And yeah, that's pretty true. That's true and yeah, that's.
Yo, Tom, dude.
True. That's pretty true. That's pretty true. I mean,
always here.
Machine abuse.
I went out of my way to get this just for Tom, dude.
This is your
Where the Mirren enjoyers at, dude?
For you.
Tom has been telling me about Mirren for like a month now, and I didn't know what it was.
It boosts a lot of like very subtle flavors.
Can I sip some of it? Is that a bad idea?
No, I mean it's not gonna taste like great, but like you can drink it.
Where the Mirren enjoyers at?
It's good for you.
That's the Chinese.
Take a shot of it.
Oh, let's go.
The Chinese jizz sauce. Are we doing that? Where the Mirren enjoyers at? Any Mirren enjoyers? Also, Chef, I love you. I don't know if you heard me say hello.
Yes, Camel. No such thing as bad ideas, Camille. Only danger and content.
Let's take a shot of Mirren. Are you down for this, Chris?
Shot of Mirren. What is Mirren?
That one is really good. This brand, this is good. This was the only. This is the only one I found.
Chef Buttfat.
This shot glass is like cooned.
Apartment first, lol, but I'll keep
my shot glass is cooned up.
It's sweeter than a lot of other brands I've tried.
I love you too, Camel LMAO.
My shot glass is cooned up right now.
That's a big ass shot glass.
Wait, is this bigger than normal? Is this a double? I don't want to get scammed on this. How big's your shot glass?
This is the Mirren I have.
Rice winey.
Let me see.
Right
Producers.
up to the ridge.
Oh, we got a different brand. Producers.
Want to become famous? I've hid a link in all of Season 3 streams leading to where you can buy followers.
Make your way to archive land to win.
Oh, thanks.
Same size.
It says alcohol 14%, so like this is a for real ass shot for me.
Wait, 14%? There's alcohol in Mirren?
Yeah, Mirren is technically cooking wine. So actually, I guess
alcohol. Mine's 8%.
We are using some wine in cooking.
Mine's 8%.
Nice.
It's rice wine.
Doesn't have any smell to
Yes,
it.
LMAO.
It is rice wine. It is.
I don't know about this, dude.
Are you gonna do it? Because I'm about to commit. I'm gonna
do it.
The shot.
Wait, you got? You have this?
This one is sweet DW.
Okay, no, we got the same size shot glass.
We gonna get more.
But I'm a little sad. Mine doesn't have a face on it.
It's sweet.
It's on Amazon.